Welcome back to Z Food Review. Today I'm doing the natural honey roasted peanuts. Now, first of all, I want to give all glory to God. We wouldn't be here doing these videos without him. You know, it means a lot to us. Every day we wake up and do these videos on this channel, and it's been tough. You know, it's hard to really compartmentalize how we do these videos because it takes so much emotional effort to get on here, record these food reviews for you guys. But we just work hard every day, just putting our heads down 13 hours a day, making content on here just for you guys. We're literally not making any money at all on here. It's all for you guys, the viewers. We love the viewers on the channel because we're like a big family together. You know, we get on here, do these live streams, do these food reviews together, and we're just always here every single day, just making content, doing the best we can do because really at the end of the day, guys, all we have is each other here on the channel. We do these reviews, we do the, movie reviews, tutorials, everything. Guys, it takes such a toll on you mentally. We do like 5 videos per day, 50 videos per week on this channel. It just takes so much effort, just nonstop grinding. You see Adam on the channel every single day. You see Austin, Joe's on here like pretty much every day, just making videos, making content. So guys, without further ado, I know it's been a long spiel here. I'm gonna open these honey roasted peanuts here, doing a full review today on the honey roasted peanuts. So guys, here's our first sniff. Overall, it smells like honey, it smells like salt, and we're doing the full peanut review here. So guys, let me just try these real quick, give you a full review, full breakdown here. So here we go. So basically, I'm getting a lot of peanut butter flavor out of these peanuts. It's kind of like salt, a little bit of honey. But guys, really, it's a culture in decline right now. Food reviews, you don't see many of the OG food reviewers out here doing these videos like they used to. We're still doing the channel 10, 15 years later. It's truly a bygone era to sit down and do food reviews on YouTube. Most of the greats have passed on now. You think of the old food reviewers on YouTube, they mostly passed away at this point. And we're still here every day doing these videos because we care so much about the audience. The audience is everything, guys. Guys, I love you so much because you're here supporting us every single day. You think of yourself as a kid in a classroom. You sit down in front of the whiteboard, you watch the teacher. Like, we're the teacher for you guys. You're just watching the lesson. And I think of the kid, think of Albert Einstein sitting in class, watching his teacher teach. That's kind of like you guys watching these videos. Like, you're Albert Einstein watching us. We are teaching you, we're giving you knowledge through these videos. I see so many little Einsteins out there in you guys. I just look at you guys and I say, you're intelligent, you're worth it, you're amazing because you're here every day giving us money, supporting us, and it just means a lot. So basically, you're here every day, you're donating money, you're just so supportive, and it just makes me cry thinking about like how special our audience is. Guys, I'm sorry, I have to it makes me emotional because you're here every single day, just nonstop watching our videos and just liking, commenting, subscribing. Patreon's below. We'll give you 15 seconds to donate to the Patreon below. So thank you for donating below the Patreon. Also, PayPal, GoFundMe, Indiegogo. We have all those linked below. You just give us money and we put it back into these videos. It's like an investment, guys. You invest in us. You believe in us. We'll give you a great, great content return every single time. Non-stop videos every year. We post like 1 video per year. It's the Super Bowl review. That's a great video. Gets tons of views every single season. We see their videos coming out. We just say, yes, I love this channel. They're a bunch of great guys making content, making jokes, whatever. We're never going to stop these videos, guys. We're never, ever going away. We're always here. We're always making content. I don't care what happens to us. We will always be pumping out videos for you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. I appreciate all the support in the videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Please subscribe below. And guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. And thank you so much again for watching these videos. If there's anything else, guys, please put in the comments below. Let me know. If there's anything else I can do for you guys, I'll be here all the time supporting. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. So have a great day. And never stop watching our videos, guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys next time for the next food review. Have a great night. And I'll see you guys next time. So have a great time, guys. One last thing, donate below. The Patreon's below. Other than that, guys, have a great, great night. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.